Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to download language in your iPhone built-in translate app. So what you need to do is simply tap on the translate app, and here you can see translate languages. So what you need to do is simply tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, here you can see download languages. Simply tap on it again, and here you will be able to see all of the languages which you want. You can simply tap on the download button next to it, and the language will be downloaded automatically. So yeah, that's how you can download languages in your built-in translate app in iPhone. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.